you ever wondered what happens to your body and mind when you drift off to sleep? While you're tucked away in dreamland, your body is far from idle. In fact, some incredible and mysterious things are happening behind the scenes. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover the fascinating processes that occur while you sleep, things that not only keep you alive, but also shape your health, memory, and even your creativity. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Stay tuned, and by the end, you'll see sleep in a whole new light. Let's start with the basics. Sleep is divided into two main types, REM and non-REM sleep. Each plays a critical role in our health. During non-REM sleep, your body goes into a deep state of rest, repairing tissues, strengthening the immune system, and even growing muscles. In contrast, REM sleep is where the magic of dreaming happens. But that's not all. REM is also crucial for memory consolidation and emotional processing. While you sleep, your brain is hard at work, organizing and storing memories. Think of it as a filing system. The brain sifts through all the information you've gathered during the day, deciding what to keep and what to discard. This is why a good night's sleep can help you perform better on tasks and recall information more effectively. But it's not just your brain that benefits. While you sleep, your body enters a state of repair. Growth hormone is released, which is essential for tissue repair, muscle growth, and overall physical recovery. This is why sleep is so critical for athletes and anyone recovering from an injury. It's during sleep that your body does most of its healing. Ever noticed how you feel cranky or anxious after a bad night's sleep? That's because sleep is deeply linked to our emotional well-being. During sleep, especially REM, the brain processes emotions and resets your mood. Lack of sleep can disrupt this process, leading to increased stress and emotional instability. Here's something fascinating. Sleep can actually boost your creativity. Many great ideas and solutions to problems emerge after a good night's rest. During sleep, your brain connects the dots in ways it can't while you're awake. This is why you might wake up with a fresh perspective or a brilliant idea. So what can you do to maximize these benefits? It starts with prioritizing quality sleep. Create a sleep-friendly environment, maintain a consistent sleep schedule, and limit screen time before bed. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. When you give your body and mind the rest they deserve, you unlock the true magic of sleep. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit subscribe for more content on how to optimize your life, one night at a time. Sleep well and see the magic happen.